Hello everyone, my name is Asad Ali and I am working as a Business Development Manager at KICS, University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore. And today I am going to talk about a very interesting lab that exists in KICS, which is known as CVML. The full form is Computer Vision Machine Learning Lab. Here at CVML, the concept that we follow while developing products is the concept of a human eye. We try to make our systems in such a way that the system through CCTV cameras and supercomputers identifies and records whatever actions that we want the system to monitor. It monitors it, records it, makes reports and surveys according to it, and then reports the data accordingly so that relevant action and decision making can be done. So I'll start with the low hanging fruits, which are the easy products, and I'll tell them one by one to you. The first one that we have over here is the artificial intelligent watchman. Now what it does is that we can tell it to monitor whatever we want. For example, if we put a CCTV camera in an office and we program that CCTV camera to record the actions of a manager, that how much time the manager uses his mobile phone, how much times he uses his laptop, or how much time he's sitting idle. The system will record all the actions and create reports and send all the reports to the management at the evening or at the end of the day. So that's about the artificial intelligent watchman. The next one that we have, the easy products that we have in this case, is a site surveillance system. Site surveillance system, you have to think about it as a story. If we look at this place and we see that it is a remote area and we want to monitor any unauthorized activity or anomaly that takes place. Take an example of a cellular company which has deployed cellular towers in remote areas. Underneath those towers are rooms in which high-tech equipment is stored with petroleum tanks and other technical equipments. So what happens is that whenever an unauthorized person enters the room or an unauthorized activity takes place, the system will automatically recognize that activity and trigger alarm and send notifications to the concerned personnel so that instant actions can be taken. That's about the site surveillance system. The third one that we have is the auto archival system. Auto archival system, what it does is that only it records the active time in a room. For example, if I'm here and I'm recording this video for you guys to understand, and as a camera is installed in front of me, it will only record when I'm doing an activity in this room. However, if I'm not in this room and no activity is being done, then no recording will be done. What it does is that it saves your storage space and it saves your reviewing time, and of course it increases your speed and decision making. That's about the auto archival system. Another interesting product in this domain of computer vision is the vehicle analytics system. Now if we see over here, if we create a vehicle analytics system, it can identify the make, model, color, size and type of a vehicle and then create reporting dashboards and reports accordingly. We can use this in government agencies for safe cities and motorways and patrolling identifications and all. That's about it for the vehicle analytics system. Now in the attendance system, number one, we have a walkthrough attendance system in which when one person passes or walks through an area, his attendance is automatically marked without even looking at the camera. The next one that we have is a wall mounted attendance system. When you stand in front of that device, through facial recognition, it will identify you and then mark your attendance accordingly. The third one that we have is a face-based group attendance system in which a teacher comes into the class, takes out his mobile phone and takes a picture of the class. When the picture is taken and uploaded, the attendance is automatically marked through recognizing the faces of the children or the staff in an institute. And all these systems can be integrated with the human resource systems and for payroll generation and calculations of such sorts. So I believe that the list can go on and on because there is no limit to the vision of the eye and computer vision programming. And if you think that you have an interesting idea on which we can work together and collaborate together, please feel free to reach out to us. We are always open for unique and innovative feedback and solutions and ideas. So that's about it. Thank you very much on behalf of the entire CVML and my team, and thank you.